Garden Guy here. Poinsettias are usually given to everybody during the holiday period. Well, Christmas especially. However, the poinsettia itself isn't really a cool weather plant. It's a tropical plant. They brought it up from around, let's say Mexico area, and it happened to come around into the United States somewhere around the late, say 18th century, early 1800s, late 1700s. I don't know the technical history of it. It was brought up because it's a pretty Mexican plant. Downside is that you can't keep it in cool weather. You bring it indoors, it's going to have to be in a relatively warm area. But I got a really trick question for you. When you water them, don't overwater them. Wait until these leaves themselves have a tendency to droop. Give it a drenching drink and leave it alone. Don't do it once a day, whether it needs it or not. But here goes to the trick question. Where do you think the flower is on this plant, huh? I'm going to wait about a fraction of a second for your answer. The flower isn't the discolor that you see on the leaves. The leaves themselves are actually leaves. They're the colored thing. The flower is technically that little itty bitty yellow thing right in between all those leaves. It's really not a pronounced flower in itself. It's really not that gorgeous. The foliage itself is the gorgeous part. So if you want to really take care of these things, don't do too much to them. Just give it a drink when the leaves need it. Put it in a relatively warm area. If you need to give it some sunlight, rotate it periodically. And remember, for all your gardening questions and needs, visit Black Diamond Garden Centers, Toledo, Ohio on Tremainsville Road, Perrysburg, Ohio on Eckel Junction Road, and ask someone who knows. For Black Diamond Garden Centers, I'm Michael Rourke, the Garden Guy. Thank you for watching.